Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with the helmet stable and the visor fully closed so the mechanisms align. First, feel the pinlock posts or retention cams. You want to identify the release tab. Using thumbs placed near the cam, gently press inward while lifting the visor slightly. This releases tension. Once one side gives, hold the shell with one hand to steady it and repeat on the opposite side. Make sure to keep fingers clear of the edge to avoid pinching and to observe how the visor detaches. Once one cam or post is free, you continue by easing the visor forward and out of its channel. You must rotate the retention cam or slide the pinlock post out of its socket while holding the visor edge. This prevents sudden drops. If the visor resists, push the cam slightly inward and rotate. Patience avoids breaking plastic. Make sure to support the visor with the other hand so it clears the grooves smoothly. If a clip is tight, use a plastic wedge to nudge it free. You finish by pulling the visor fully clear of both guides and laying it on a soft cloth face-up to prevent scratches. After removal, inspect the pinlock posts, rubbers, and cams for cracks, dirt, or missing parts. Replace any worn components before reinstalling. If a pin is stuck, gently warm the area with a hairdryer on low to relax plastic, then retry. Do not use high heat. Once reinstalled, operate the visor several times to confirm smooth, secure movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.